In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in Exness. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Exness personal area and sign into your account. And then you want to go to My Accounts on the top left. And then here, I'm going to showcase this with a demo account because, of course, you have to open up a separate account to be able to actually change your currency. You can't actually change the currency on any of the accounts that are already basically created, okay? So you have to create a new account. I'm going to create a new demo account, and I'm going to select standard over here and press continue. And here I'm going to swap to demo, and then you can change the currency up here. So USD is default. I'm going to go ahead and look for euros. There we go, euro. And then I'm going to leave everything as it is right now. And the platform, I'm going to do Exness, create account. And now the account has been created over here. As you can see, the currency is euros. And if I now click on trade over here, everything is basically going to be in euros because I just changed it. Okay, so as you can see up top, everything is euro. But if I open up this trader, for example, which actually uses USD, and if I go to trade, you'll see that in there, I'll have USD as my currency. So there we go. So that's how you can change it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.